In the previous video, we have seen about the equations or balancing a chemical equations. Now, types of chemical reaction. Basically, there are 5 types of chemical reaction, that is combination, decomposition, displacement, double displacement, or redox reaction. Now, what are combination reactions? Combination reactions are those reactions in which two reactants combined to form a product. Here you can see that calcium oxide is given. When it reacts with water, that is H2O, it has been represented by an arrow which gives calcium hydroxide. Ca combines with molecules of water and it will gives as calcium hydroxide. So this is a combination reaction. Here calcium plus sulfur combine, calcium and sulfur combine with each other and gives calcium sulfide. So this is an example of combination reaction. Reactions in which heat is released are called as exothermic chemical reactions. For example, burning of natural gas. Here you can see an example of burning of a natural gas. It is an exothermic reaction in which heat is released. And this is also example of exothermic reaction in which vegetable matter is decomposed into compost. So it is both are the example of exothermic reaction. Now, what are endothermic reactions? Endothermic reactions are those reactions in which heat is absorbed. Here, an example of digestion is given. Food is broken down into simpler substances. For example, rice, potato, bread, which contain carbohydrates, which are broken down to form glucose. This combines with oxygen in the cells of a body and provides energy. So basically, this is these are the carbohydrates which is found in the complex form. During digestion process, it is broken down into simpler substances. So it is an example of an endothermic reaction. What are decomposition reactions? Decomposition reactions are those reactions in which a product breaks up into its constituent reactants and the reaction is termed as decomposition reaction. Here it is an example of ferrous sulfate which is in the solid form. When we heat it, it is been divided into Fe2O3, that is in solid phase, plus gaseous phase of sulfur dioxide and sulfur trioxide. So FeSO4 is been divided into Fe2O3 plus SO2 plus SO3. So this is an example of a decomposition reaction. You can see that a single reactant breaks down to give the simpler products. This is an example of a decomposition reaction. Okay. This decomposition of calcium carbonate to calcium oxide and carbon dioxide is also an example of a decomposition reaction which is used in various industry. Calcium oxide is also called as a quicklime or lime, and it has many uses in the manufacture of cement. When a decomposition reaction is carried out by heating, that is called as thermal decomposition. Now, what is electrolytic decomposition?